Hi guys, assalamualaikum and welcome again sa Amer TV. So ang ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon ay kung paano mag-open ng account sa Overseas Filipino Bank. So ito is para sa ating mga OFW na gustong kumuha ng kanilang debit card. So mas pinadali na lang talaga guys kasi pwede tayo mag-submit through online. So kahit hindi na tayo pupunta dun sa bangko mismo, okay? So yun yung ituturo ko sa inyo. So first, kailangan naka-install yung Overseas Filipino Bank sa ating cellphone. So ayan. So as you can see, nandyan sa tabi ng Union Bank. So, i-search na lang sa Play Store, Overseas Filipino Bank. So, ayan yung logo niya. So, install lang natin guys, okay? So, pag na-install natin, so i-open lang natin guys. Okay, so ayan. So, as you can see, since wala pa tayong account, so dito tayo sa baba, meron ditong open an OF Bank account. So, i-open natin yan. Then, next, continue lang. Ayan. So, may tatlong option dito. So, meron ditong, for example, di-delete natin yung existing application natin. So, dito sa baba, i-select lang natin yan. So, since mag-open tayo ng bank, so dito tayo sa I would like to open a OF Bank account, okay? So, ayan. So, ngayon, let's say kung OFW tayo, so dito tayo sa Overseas Filipino Worker or OFW. So, ayan, pipili lang tayo. So, kung nasa Pilipinas tayo, dito tayo sa Local Filipino Resident, okay? So, since let's say nasa abroad tayo, so dito tayo sa Overseas Filipino Worker. Okay? So, ayan. So, ito yung dalawang account na pwede natin i-open. So, meron tayong debit card. Ayan. Saka yung online deposit account. Okay? So, let's say dito tayo sa debit card. Ayan. So, ito yung mga features niya guys. So, ayan. Eligibility requirements. So, basahin lang natin yan. So, ang kagandahan nito guys, wala siyang minimum initial deposit. As you can see, 0 yung minimum initial deposit. So, kahit wala tayong ilagay doon, so pwede tayong makapag-open ng account, okay? So, ayan. Then, ngayon, proceed tayo. So, ito yung reminders nila guys. So, dapat meron tayong active mobile number, active email address, saka yung valid ID guys. So, dapat meron tayong passport. Ayan. Then, UMID, PRC ID or National ID, okay? So, proceed lang tayo. Then, check lang natin yung box. Then, next. So, ngayon, ipipill up natin ito, guys. So, ilalagay natin dito yung pangalan natin at saka yung apelyido natin. So, yung middle name is, that is optional. So, pwedeng lagyan, pwedeng hindi, okay? So, birth date. Okay, so ilalagay natin yung year ng kapanganakan natin. Saka yung month and date. Okay. Ayan. So, okay lang natin. Then, yung active number natin. So, mag-start tayo sa 9. Ayan. Okay. So, email address. So, yung active na email address natin. Okay. Ayan. Okay. So, pupunta tayo dito sa baba. So, user ID guys. So, gagawa tayo ngayon ng ating account sa online banking. Okay. So, let's say ayan. Then, next lang. So, ngayon, gagawa natin ng password. So, ito yung magiging account natin sa online banking. Okay. So, be sure na match yung ating password. Okay, so ngayon, next lang natin. So, ngayon, i-scan natin yung ating valid ID, which is yung passport natin. So, ayan, i-scan natin, guys. So, passport. So, i-scan natin. So, ayan, yung mukha natin, guys. So, mag-selfie tayo.
Please move closer.
Okay. ina-upload natin. So that is encrypted. So ibig sabihin, tayo lang or sila lang yung nakakakita ng ating ID. Ayan. So ilalagay natin yung passport number. Okay. Ayan. Then submit. Okay, so mobile verification. So ngayon, wait natin yung code dun sa number na binigay natin. Then ilalagay natin dito. So that is one-time PIN. So kukunin natin dyan. Okay. Then next lang. Okay, so i-check natin ulit, mali yung nalagay natin. Okay, so 366 pala. Then next. Okay, so ngayon wait natin yung code dun sa ating email address, which is yung binigay natin kanina. So check natin. So ayun na. Okay. So kukunin natin yung one-time PIN. So i-copy lang natin, guys. Ayan, the next. Okay, so user profile successfully created. Okay, so your user profile has been created. Should you not be able to complete your account opening, you may continue next time by logging in with your user ID and password within 30 days. Okay, so meron na tayong account sa OFW Overseas Filipino Bank. So meron na tayong account. So ayan, kung let's say hindi natin matapos yung ating application or account opening, so pwede natin i-login yung account na ginawa natin kanina para ma-continue yung ating account opening. Okay, so that is within 30 days. So let's say continue. Ayan. So sagutan lang natin yan. Okay. Question 3. Then next. So ngayon, personal information tayo. So birthplace. Ayan. So fill up lang natin ito, guys. Okay, so baguhin natin to. So NA lang. Let's say sa Makakwa Street. Then province. So Maguindanao. City. So select natin kung anong city or anong municipality. So source of funds. So let's say allowance. So kung allowance, dito tayo sa allowance. Kung sa salary, so dito lang tayo sa salary. Okay. So gross monthly income, so 30,000 below. Ayan. So employer name. So this is sample only. So let's say Riyadh. Ayan. So yung nilalagay natin dito is yung employer address. So this is sample only, so province. nature of work. Ayan. Then next, so account holder position. So, anong position natin doon? So, let's say clerk. Then, next. So, yung purpose ng loan or purpose ng pagkuha natin ng account. So, savings. So, estimated monthly deposit natin. So, let's say 5,000. So, let's say isa. Ayan. So, this is sample only. So, isang beses lang tayo makadeposit every month. So, next lang. No. So, no. Then, next. So, ngayon, confirmation, guys. So, ayan. I-check natin yung ating details. So, i-review natin. So, after that, dito tayo sa baba. Then, confirm. Okay. So, ayan. Account application received. So, na-receive na nila yung ating application. Ito yung transaction reference number natin o yung TRN. So, i-keep lang natin itong TRN natin kasi diyan natin malalaman yung status ng ating account. So, yan yung hihingin nila. So, yan yung reference number natin. So, screenshot lang natin. So, ayan. Thank you for submitting your account opening application. We shall notify you via SMS or email once we have processed your application. Okay? So, application number. So, ayan. Then, thank you for using OF Bank Digital Account Opening. Okay? So, wait lang natin, guys. So, pag na-review nila yung ating application, so magme-message sila kung let's say na-approve yung ating debit card application. So, malalaman natin yan through SMS or email. Okay? So, ganun lang. Again, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and wassalam.